Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got these bomb and defined curls on my freshly big chopped short hair, my first wash and go ever on short hair, then just keep watching this video. It came out bomb and I want to show y'all exactly how I got it. Okay, you guys, so I am starting off with freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair. This is my first time shampooing my short hair, and I can honestly say I truly enjoyed it. I used this hair food coconut milk and chai spice shampoo, and I deep conditioned with this Aussie 3-minute miracle moist deep conditioner, and these are the products that I will be styling with. Starting off, I'm just going to part my hair because I don't know, this was like an experiment. This is my first time ever doing short hair on my hair, so it was an experiment. But since my hair is so short, I figured the best way to style my hair would be in sections. So right here I'm pinning up my last section, and this is the section I'm going to work on. I'm working in 4 sections. So the first thing I'm going to do is spritz my hair with water, get it nice and wet, and I'm going to go in with this Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus conditioner. And I always say this when I use conditioners. I use conditioners in my hair, especially Shea Moisture ones. They are just super moisturizing to my hair. But as you see right here, I'm just working it in, getting it nice in my hair so my hair can be moisturized and have a good base. And I'm going to go in with my wide-tooth comb and my Denman brush, you can say, and just clump it together. And as you just seen, I took my Cantu moisturizing curl activated cream, and I am now working that into my hair. And this product by Cantu is my holy grail and will forever be my holy grail. It never fails on me. I absolutely love it. It's always a safe product to use. But as you see, this is my definition and how I am looking. And now I'm just going to do the same thing on the next section. So I'm taking the Shea Moisture conditioner and working that in. Going to go in with my wide-tooth comb. And what is that brush called? I'm gonna just call it my Denman brush because I done forgot the name of the brand. But yeah, do that, and then again go in with the Cantu and just work that in. And then in just a second you'll actually see me take my wide tooth comb to kind of get rid of a part, if it is a part, because obviously I don't want a part in my hair. And this is what the curls is looking like. And right here you just see me cleaning up my part because I want a nice part, and I'm just finna do what you've seen me do the whole time, just apply my products. And actually right here in the front, what you will be seeing in just a second, I am going to finger coil those curls right in the very front. I noticed while doing this, the curls, like especially in those corners on my perimeter, are coils when they dry, so you will see that towards the end of the video. But right here now I'm finally on the last section, and you see me applying the Shea Moisture once again, just working that in. While combing and brushing my hair, I'm constantly lifting it because I don't want the curls right on the top of my head to be flat. So as y'all obviously have seen, the Cantu is like my styler for this wash and go. So especially right here in the front, I'm going to apply it in a more strategic way. So I'm like raking it through, but at the same time I'm scrunching because I want my curls to pop. I want them to look good. And right here I am finger coiling these curls right in the very front, and you can tell those are going to be so tight and so pretty. But yes, that is what my hair is looking like. And right here now, I am going through with my wide tooth comb to lift my hair off my roots. I typically, when my hair was long, my hair used to be flat. And I don't want flat hair while my hair is short. I want volume. So you saw me lifting it up with my wide tooth comb. And now, as you see, I took some oil just to get it all throughout my hair to seal in moisture and to, further, lift, get it right, get it get it looking good, you know. And now it's time for my favorite part. It's time to do the baby hair swoops, so whatever. And yeah, this is pretty much how I do it. I feel like I've explained this a lot. And I think most of y'all know how to do it by now. But I pretty much just, my hair is so used to being laid that it's not hard for me to lay my edges. I just kind of swoop them down, hold it in place, and go on by my business. And after that, it's time for the interesting part. I am going to diffuse my hair because, obviously, like I've said, and like y'all can see, my hair is short now. I don't want to walk around with wet, short hair, and I had somewhere to be this particular day. So I had to dry my hair. But it was interesting. I'll just say that. It was a lot easier, than I expected. But since I have so little hair now, it shouldn't have been hard. And I just kind of like hovered it around my head for the longest time. And I kept switching back and forth between medium heat. It was high flow the whole time, but medium heat and then cool air. Like I just kept going back and forth, back and forth. And like I just mentioned, I just kind of hovered it around my head the whole time. And I would touch my hair occasionally just to see how it's feeling. Is it getting dry? And then right here is when I started actually going to my scalp to get the roots, because the ends were slowly starting to get dry. And it took me about literally 20 minutes to do this. It didn't take too long at all. And by the time I was finished, my hair was about 80% dry. Like it wasn't 100% dry, about 85% dry. And if you didn't get the gist, I don't think I said it a second ago, but this was my first time diffusing my hair, which is why I said, the experience was interesting because I had never done it before. But as you can see, even right here, my hair is slowly, getting dry. And like I mentioned, it took about 20 minutes. I diffused my hair for about 20 minutes. And when I was done, it was like 80% dry. And I just, as you see right here, I'm like shaking it out, trying to get my hair loose and separated so it can get dry. If it's in huge clumps, obviously it's going to take a while to get dry. But, I'm talking so much, y'all. I'm sorry. But I'm just going to let y'all see a few more clips of me, simply diffusing it. And y'all will see the end result in just a minute. So once I felt like my hair was at a pretty good percentage of being dry, I took the diffuser part off and just blew cool air on a high speed. I think, I don't remember, it could have been high speed, medium speed, all over my hair, just to get it off my roots, because like I've been saying, I do not want my hair to be flat. So I'm just blowing it, also getting it dry, creating volume. And in just a second, you will see that as I was doing it, I felt a section of my hair that was still kind of wetter than I would have liked. So I'm going to go back in with my diffuser and touch that up. But as you see, the curls is popping. Like they look good. But right here is the section that was not dry. My whole head was probably about 75% dry. Right here, 80% dry. That section was definitely wetter. So I went in and diffused that section for a little bit longer. And then this right here is how it looked once I was done diffusing. As you can tell, it's not wet. Like, it's pretty dry and it looks good. My curls are popping and they look good. So hours and hours later, this is my hair. This is my hair after all day. It got 100% dry. It even got rained on. Like, it started pouring outside. I'm going to mention that in a second. But it, got poured on. It dried again. But the curls are literally popping. They are so defined. I'm so shook that my hair looks like this. My hair looks this good. I'm shook. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair, 100% dry at the end of the day. Earlier, y'all seen me diffuse my hair. That was actually my first time ever in my life diffusing my hair, and it got about 85% dry. But over, as the day went on, it got 100% dry. Actually got rained on because it started pouring outside. So it got rained on a little bit, and then it dried again, 100% dry. And it was able to achieve some volume, which I love. Now, the thing is, how do I preserve my hair? I truly don't know. So I guess that's something that we will be figuring out together. Because I want to record how I do that as well. So stay tuned for that. But, you know, in the next clip, I'm going to show y'all day 2 hair. And just to show y'all, you know, if it look good on the next day. I really want to maintain this. So stay tuned for that. And this right here is day 2 hair. It looks amazing. It has even more volume, and it looks amazing. My curls are still popping. So stay tuned for my nighttime routine. I got y'all with that. But this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.